Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to freeze your account in Lazada. So hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to freeze your account in Lazada. So you want to freeze your account in Lazada if you want to delete your Lazada, or maybe some person hacked your Lazada and you have money on your Lazada like Laz money, and you don't want them to spend it on something random stuff, and your bank account might be connected to your Lazada, and they might spend the money and just deliver it to their place. So I'm going to teach you how to freeze your account so that won't happen. So right now, first thing you need to do is open up your Lazada, and once you're here, click on account. Then on the top right, you will see a settings icon. I can see there, and click on it. And once you're here, click on account security. After clicking on account security, you will see in the bottom, you will see a freeze account. So click on freeze account. As you can see there, freeze your account if you have lost your phone or notice any abnormal activities in your account. So right now we're gonna freeze it. Freeze account. And there you go. Freeze account. Verification is successful. Please click freeze to proceed. Now we're gonna freeze our account. Account lock. You have been logged out from all devices. So there you go. That's how you freeze your account in Lazada. Hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.